Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable dark mode on Facebook app, display setup step by step clearly. First, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. Open the Facebook app from your home screen or app drawer. If you are not logged in, sign in with your Facebook account. Look at the bottom or top of the screen and find the menu icon. Tap the menu icon to open the main Facebook menu. Scroll down slowly until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap Settings and Privacy to expand more options. Tap Settings to open the full settings page. On the settings screen, scroll down to find the Preferences section. In Preferences, look for dark mode or similar display options. If you see dark mode, tap it to open the dark mode settings. On the dark mode page, you will see choices like on, off, and system. Tap on to enable dark mode immediately in the Facebook app. If you want Facebook to follow your phone theme, tap System instead. Go back one screen to confirm the app interface is now darker. If you do not see dark mode, return to the settings page. Scroll further down and look for a section named Display or Display and Accessibility. Tap Display or Display and Accessibility to open display settings. Find Display Setup inside the Display Settings list. Tap Display Setup to access appearance and theme controls. Locate the theme option inside Display Setup. Tap Theme and choose Dark to activate dark appearance. Wait a second for the interface to refresh and apply the new theme. If nothing changes, close Facebook completely from recent apps. Open Facebook again and check if dark mode is now active. If dark mode is still missing, update Facebook from the App Store or Google Play. After updating, repeat the steps to find dark mode or display setup again. Finally, adjust your phone brightness to make dark mode comfortable for your eyes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.